In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WordPress homepage and blog page to a static homepage. This is a simple process that can significantly enhance your site's appearance and user experience. Whether you're looking to create a more professional look or simply want to better control the content your visitors see first, setting a static homepage can help you achieve that. Let's dive in. First, you need to head over to wordpress.com. Open up your browser and type in wordpress.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. If you prefer using Google for your credentials, you'll want to choose the Continue with Google option. Opting for this streamlined method can save you time by not having to remember another password. After selecting Continue with Google, the next step is choosing the Google account you'd like to use. Make sure it's the one linked to your WordPress account. Clicking on your account here will redirect you to your WordPress dashboard, where all the customizations begin. Once you're in your dashboard, pay a visit to the Appearance tab. It's found in the left-hand menu. This section plays a crucial role as it governs how your website looks, making it the gateway to a more tailored website experience. Now click on the Customize option. This action will bring up the WordPress Customizer, a handy tool that allows you to tweak various aspects of your site in real time and see the changes before making them live. It provides an intuitive interface for modifying your site's appearance. In the customizer, navigate to homepage settings. Here you'll find options for setting your homepage and blog page. By default, WordPress shows your latest posts on the homepage, but if you're running a business site or just prefer showing specific content, now's your chance to change that. To set a static homepage, look for the option labeled Homepage. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu with a list of available pages. Select the page you want to serve as the face of your site. This specified page will now be your default homepage, offering visitors a consistent introduction each time they visit. Similarly, if you want to designate a specific page, to display your blog posts, look for the Post Page option. Just like before, choose from the available pages to determine where your latest musings and articles will be displayed. This setup keeps your content organized, helping visitors and search engines alike understand your site's layout. That's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully set up a static homepage and organized your blog posts. This small change can greatly increase your site's professionalism and usability. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to stick around for more helpful tips in our upcoming videos.